Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Big Kitchen Garden. In this new video guys, we're going to discuss how to grow your tomatoes at home guys. So tomato guys is very an interesting plant guys. Many people can call it vegetable and many people can call it fruit guys. So for me guys personally, as a gardener guys, I call my tomatoes they are vegetables guys because I like to cook and make salads, and normally guys when you make salads they are mixed with vegetables like tomatoes. So guys, a very interesting topic about today guys. As you can see guys, my tomato guys is at the flowering stage, which means that we are going to have some beautiful tomatoes here guys. As you can see here, we have this one here. So what I like to explain today guys is that when your tomato is at the flowering stage guys, you have to do what I explained to you now guys. So first things first guys, we are going to prune the excess leaves on this tomato so that this tomato can have enough energy to grow these beautiful tomatoes here guys. So we are going to do it guys. As you can see guys, this is how I do it. I cut off the excess leaves. This is the excess leaves guys, as you can see. Okay, so based on the tomato guys, you often get tomatoes that last about a year, some even last about 2-3 years guys. So I have an interesting thing that I want to show you guys about my previous tomato guys. So this is the stem guys. As you can see, this stem guys, this tomato can either be caused to be like this if its season has passed or you have lack of nutrients in your soil guys. So what I mean about nutrients guys, I'm talking about potassium, nitrogen, and so on and so forth guys. So what you have to do guys to get those nutrients guys, you have to make your own liquid fertilizer guys. So in the coming video guys, I will explain to you how I make my own liquid fertilizer guys. So back on this tomato plant that I've planted now guys, if you want to plant your tomato at home guys, what you have to do guys is to get a red ripe tomato, slice it into rings guys, and then put it in your soil guys. That's only the required stages guys. So and then after that you separate your plant. After separating your plant guys, you will get a plant that will live longer than the other, but it's not guaranteed that they will all of them produce enough fruit or even last for a longer period of time guys. So there are different types of tomatoes guys. Some are cherries and we have this ones guys. Cherries normally guys, they are vines. Normally if you have a cherry tomato guys, then it means that you have to use it for a support, and then after supporting it guys, you will expect for it to grow for longer than 2 years. So guys, back to my own tomato here guys. As you can see here guys, I'm expecting to have 4 to 8 plants, 4 to 8 tomatoes guys. After that guys, this plant will grow further from here, and then after growing further from here guys, we are going to support it with a pillar. So what I want to do right now guys is to pour my liquid fertilizer on this tomato. After pouring, then we are going to support it with a pillar. After supporting it with a pillar guys, then it means that this beautiful little plant here guys will not carry too much weight on its shoulders, so that when these tomatoes guys grow, they don't weigh this little plant here guys. So the tomato plant guys, the way I like it guys is because when you see flowers on your tomato, then it means that you're going to have tomatoes. So what it happens with these flowers is that a flower will pop. After a flower popping guys, it will be like this, and then it goes to a phase where it seems like it's going to dry. After drying out guys, you will get a closed flower. It will close like this, and then after that guys, these beautiful flowers here will dry. After drying, then you will see under the flower or inside the flower that the tomato will be produced. So guys, I'm going to pour my liquid fertilizer right now guys. So there is not to say you have poured enough or much liquid fertilizer guys. You have to take care of your plants guys. So liquid fertilizers have enough benefits, like making sure that your plant stays healthy, it aids in growth, and it will support your plant for enough life guys. So more to it guys. So many people guys prefer to use fertilizers that are for the soil. So this one guys aids both guys, because it can be supporting both plant and soil at the same time guys. And most of these fertilizers that have been made out there guys, they are made from tree leaves, some of them herbs, and so on and so forth guys. So this one that I've made here guys, it's made from bananas guys. If you get a whole banana without peeling the leaves or the fruit inside guys, I took the whole banana, dumped it into a bucket. After dumping it into a bucket guys, what I did was to water, and then after watering guys, I meshed those bananas. After meshing them, I got this beautiful liquid fertilizer here guys. So it takes about 3 to 4 weeks for me to expect to use this beautiful liquid fertilizer guys. As you can see, to show you that it has decayed guys, you get a lot of flies flying around because it has been ready for quite some time guys. Normally you can place your liquid fertilizer for 4 weeks or even under 3 weeks guys. So right now guys, I'm going to put a support pillar here so that when these beautiful tomatoes grow, don't break this beautiful stem here guys. Alright guys, I'm back. I am going to use a bamboo stick for this beautiful tomato here guys. A bamboo guys helps a lot because it doesn't need much effort to be placed on this ground guys. So when you put your support pillar guys, make sure that it doesn't reach the roots, because it can cause break into the roots guys, and then your plant will die. So guys, remember when I said guys, if you have a tomato that is like this, then it means that lack of nutrients, lack of water, or the season has passed. So normally guys, tomatoes, as I said before, they can last about 2 or 3 years. For those of which guys you have tomatoes that lasted about 6 months, it's because your soil lacks nutrients. But I'm not saying it's bad guys, because normally when you're starting a garden guys, you shouldn't expect to have beautiful fruits at first hand, unless maybe you use fertilizers that have been bought or being recycled. So when you make your liquid fertilizers, use herbs, use leaves, or you can use your tomato leaves. Put them into water. After putting them into water, mesh them up. After meshing them up, you will get a beautiful liquid fertilizer like mine guys. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. I will see you in a new video.